Namaste and a warm welcome to Delhi's IGI Airport Terminal 3. So welcome to the Air India Business Class Lounge in Delhi, and as Vistara will soon become Air India, you have access to Air India's Premium Lounge, which offers a decent seating arrangement, a decent buffet, great food options, soft drinks, coffee and tea of course, and internet. One thing to keep in mind is that the Air India Lounge is located very far from all the gates, so make sure you have plenty of time in your flight if you visit the Air India Lounge. So now I'm here in the Air India Lounge now, and now today I'll be flying Vistara Boeing 787 Dreamliner from Delhi to Mumbai in business class. So I know that it is a short haul sector because the Dreamliners usually operate to Europe, but recently I found a loophole on my booking on the Delhi Mumbai sector on the 787. So can't wait to try out what Vistara's flagship looks like before their retirement in this week. So pretty excited to check out what it's going to be like, whether is there any Vistara vibe left or is it all now becoming Air India. So very curious to see what Vistara's Dreamliner has to offer. This is the cabin layout. There are a total of 30 seats in a single cabin in an alternating 1-to-1 configuration. Odd numbered middle seats are best for couples, the so-called honeymoon seats. For window seats, the even number seats are true window seats, and note that row 5 is missing a window. For tonight I was in 6 kilo. Seat measurements that are good or average are represented by white numbers and to the above average represented by green. One benefit of this seat is both armrests fold down to make a wider shoulder area when sleeping. Hello. Thank you.
Hello, welcome on board. Seat number 63.
So this is how the Vistara business class seat looks like, and waiting at each seat is a pillow and blankets are available on request. So guys, welcome on board Vistara's Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner in business class. So first of all, I am absolutely amazed by the cabin. It's my favorite 1-to-1 configuration with dark cubicles on the window seat. So I'm seated in 6 kilo for this flight with such a great wing view. Love it. And so when we talk about the crew gesture, they have a big smile on their face. They serve welcome drinks and hot towels to every passenger. And now talking about the seat, I don't even know where to start from. So first of all, obviously the legroom is a big statement in itself. It's pretty massive, and the seat obviously turns into a fully flat bed on the Dreamliner. We have a huge IFE screen in front of us, and underneath the IFE is the tray table, which can be stored and can be opened like so, and is also foldable and extendable. And here we have the adjustable armrests, and above them we have the remote control for the IFE, and we have a small storage compartment with a USB slot, and a universal power outlet as well. And we have an audio port just next to the IFE remote. and we were served menu cards as well. Headphones are also provided actually on this flight, and there are reading lights on the shelf with different brightness levels each, so you can set them according to your comfort. So I am amazed by the product. So the first impression is actually very good. It's actually amazing, and you even also have a tiny mirror over here, just next to the storage compartment, which can easily be pulled out. So can't wait to depart out of Delhi, and let's see what we can explore, what can we discover on the Vistara 787 Dreamliner. So let's do this. Let's go to Mumbai.
The seat pocket is located just near the aisle, and the seat pocket consists of the air sickness bag, the safety card, and the Vistara magazine. There are 2 coat hooks present on each seat.
What would you like to have? Ready to light orange juice water?
Yeah, I would like to have an orange juice, please. Thank you.
And here is the menu card for you.
Thank you.
My name is Sakshi. Me and my assistant are there for you. Me and my colleague are there for your assistant. And if you need any, just let us know.
Sure,
Thank you very
thank you. The menu card offered 4 choices for the main course, 2 veg and 2 non-veg. So I went for the veg option, which you'll see later on in the video.
Would you like to have a cold cup?
Sure, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
The IFP screen is also adjustable according to your preference. A few minutes later, the safety video began to play on the IFP. So I like the yoga theme safety video of Vistara, so I recommend you to watch it online.
Is it the order?
Yeah, I would like to have this paneer jafrizi masala. Here is a look at the IFT screen. It offers a good variety of movies and TV shows and other type of content, as well as the moving map. The only thing different is the branding of Vistara to Air India, but the content is still there on the IFE on the Vistara 787-9 aircraft. For added convenience, there are digital IFE remotes with a touch screen on them, so you don't have to lean forward to work on the IFE while in full flat mode, which is a cool feature in my opinion. A few minutes later, dinner is served. So I went for the paneer jalfrezi masala, which consists of a medley of cottage cheese and vegetables, served with aniseed scented rice and stir fry of green peas and carrots. Along with this main course, there was a paratha, kheer chum chum for dessert, a corn salad, and some apple juice as a beverage along with some water. All in all, a very satisfying meal for a 1 hour 45-minute flight. The food actually tasted very good, like a proper business class meal. The lavatories were spotless and clean and were frequently checked by the crew.
The meals.
So can you please show us the economy class meals?
So these two are the economy class meals. This is a vegetarian choice, okay. This has the veg logo on it, so that's very distinguished. And non-vegetarian comes with a grey foil on it and has a non-vegetarian logo on it. So you can't go wrong in this. Now I'll open the covers.
Okay, so this must be the main course?
Yes, this is the main course. So you have corn sabzi which is there with the matar pulao, and dal maharani is there. Okay, that's for vegetarian. Let's check what's there in non-vegetarian here. So we have home style chicken curry with onion pulao, and dal maharani is there. So these are the two menus which we have.
The digital seat control panel is located just above the IFE remote. And here is the seat in full flat mode. This is a special card that the crew of this flight gave me, so a big thanks to them for making one of my last flights with Vistara so special. So this is the moment many of you must be waiting for, to hear my final thoughts on Vistara. I would genuinely say that this is the airline India deserves to have. The elegance, the comfort, the style, the food is just outstanding. Vistara has been one of the best success in Indian aviation, and it is so sad to see them gone so soon. And again, I took this flight prior to the merge of Vistara and Air India. But for those concerned, the experience will be the same, with just the branding being the difference. This was my first time on Vistara's Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner, and for me it was a very good experience, and would recommend you to fly on this aircraft as well. So thank you for watching. Please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. A bittersweet end to end the airline. Goodbye Vistara. Thank you for your service.